Today we took a look at the massive gains for the Shiba INU coin, which has amazing potential even for crypto standards. Now before you run off and start buying over 1 million coins, which you could easily do because it's still that cheap, there are some caveats that you need to be aware of while making 1,000, 5,000 or even the full 500,000% gain that Shiba INU has made over the last year. So let me know in the comment section if you own any Shiba INU and what your personal price target for this coin is. Now let's dive right in. So if you don't know already, Shiba INU is basically the response to the Doge boom and is currently one of the hottest cryptocurrencies out there. However, unlike Dogecoin, it's actually a bit more serious in its design, and this makes it an extra attractive meme coin. You see, when you pull back all the hype and the insane promo associated with meme coins right now, you actually get a pretty decent altcoin with real-world potential. Now obviously it's far from being practical right now, however it has gathered a very large market cap and the creators are now seriously thinking about developing Shiba INU into a better coin. Now before I get to all the juiciness of why this coin can make you enormous gains, I do want to stress that this is a high-risk trading and or investment instrument, and you should definitely not invest any significant amount of money into this asset that you are not willing to lose. With that said, there are actually several good reasons why you should invest in Shiba INU, of which the first reason is simply because it's hot. Scalding hot, actually. You see, you can do proper analysis on stocks, real estate and crypto all day long, and I do this in the other videos, but in the end it all comes down to one thing, and that is if people want to buy it, it will go up in value. Everybody who did proper due diligence on GME saw it rise from just $4 to well over $300. After which the same people then said it will surely crash to zero because the business model is worthless, and again they were wrong because it's currently still holding between $160 and $180. So simply investing in Shiba INU because it's hot is actually a very good reason. However, you do need to determine if and when you will exit and how much you can afford to lose if it all goes against you. You see, whenever an asset is hard to price, it can shoot up like crazy, but it's also able to fall down very quickly because nobody really knows how much it's worth and buyers can get scared real easy. But this is right where you want to be because you can make a lot of money during this confusion, and this is exactly what Shiba INU is doing right now. Gains of 20 to 30% are happening on a daily basis, which makes this an excellent coin for active trading. Before we continue with more reasons why Shiba INU will explode this year, please like and subscribe to the channel for more finance and banking information. The second reason why investing in Shiba INU right now is a great opportunity is because of the quote-unquote real burn versus the initial fake burn that has recently taken place, and this will allow the coin to greatly increase in value over time. You see, when Shiba INU was created, they gifted 50% of the coins to Vitalik, the founder of Ethereum, and called this a burn. This is of course not a real burn and actually creates a huge problem since now just one person controls the entire market. But luckily Vitalik understands this like no other, and he gifted $1 billion worth of Shiba coin to a charity with precise instructions on how to handle it, and then locked in the majority of the Shiba INU coins into a secured wallet never to be used. Now we can never be 100% sure that those coins won't see the light of day and pound the Shiba INU price into the ground. But as the founder of Ethereum and a serious developer in the current blockchain ecosystem, Vitalik does have some serious credibility and a high trustworthiness factor. This means that it's safe to assume that around 50% of the Shiba INU supply is now burned, which puts us one step closer to getting a valuation of 1 cent. Now for this to happen, we will need much more of the supply to be burned, namely around 90 to 95% in total, but luckily the developers of Shiba INU are working on some serious enhancement to the whole Shiba ecosystem by introducing more advanced staking, liquidity providing, and more DeFi systems. So all of this has the potential to make Shiba INU much more than just a meme coin, and when you combine this with the already very large community and fan base, you have an altcoin with some massive upward momentum. This means that if you're looking for a perfect cryptocurrency for active trading, the very volatile Shiba INU coin will not disappoint, and on top of this, it's actually starting to show some real long-term potential. These were the reasons why Shiba INU is perfect for trading or investing. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more finance and banking information.